Hi everyone, doing a little bit different tutorial today so you can see me. Trying something new. I'm going to walk you through our calendar for Tuesday. Today I'm going to start out with a quick video on faces, edges, and vertices. Your students will do the packet along with me or with the video that I recorded, and they can stop and start it as needed. Mine's, you'll see in the video, I'm doing this one with you, but it's this worksheet. There's 2 pages to it. It has the date up at the top here. It'll say Tuesday 4/21. They will need this sheet along with the sheet behind it. Sorry, I'm not sure what way it goes on my camera here. This way, maybe? I don't know. The sheet behind it. There we go. And they don't have to cut it out or glue anything. You can just keep it right together and they can kind of open the packet like a book and do it that way. And I explained that again in the video. So that's the math for today. If you see on the calendar, there's also a reflex math activity. You don't have to do it today. It's just a suggestion. You can do it tomorrow if you wanted. For reading, we have the retelling of the story Someday a Tree. You can use the retelling in your packet like last week if you want to. I know sometimes cutting and gluing can be a little bit tedious. So I also put the digital retelling in Seesaw for you if you prefer to do it that way. And I'll show you in a minute when I go in there how you can drag the pictures into the numbered slots above. If you need to, on the calendar, I also linked the story again if your child wants to listen to the story again before they go ahead and put those in order. And then today we have the emoji spelling practice sheet that is also in your packet. The date is also at the top so you know what days to complete things on. I didn't ask last week, and that's totally fine if you didn't do it. But if you don't mind taking a picture of this and uploading it to Seesaw, that would be super helpful for me. So that way I can see their work. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and open Seesaw and show you the retelling cards. 1 second here. Okay, so you're going to click Add Response. Okay, and then the finger button is down here. I know you can barely see it on my screen, but it's the pointer finger with like the box around it. So you'll be able to drag, whoops-a-daisy, let me click on it. You'll be able to drag these tiles here at the bottom, and I'm just randomly placing these. You can drag them in order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Some kiddos last week did use the writing tool and they just wrote on theirs. They did 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Whatever is easiest, just so I have a way of telling that they're in a specific order is fine with me. And then when you're done, you can click the green check mark button over here in the corner. And that will save your response. Back on the, so that is it for today. So today's kind of a lighter day, just watching the math video, doing the packet along with me in the video. Doing reflex math, like I said, if you have time, extra time, if this first activity or the retelling activity isn't too stressful. And then the retell and then the emoji spelling. And that's it for today. Maybe a good day, good thing to do today also would be one of your specials activities. So you choose how you want that to work. Hopefully this video helps you. If you need help with anything, please just let me know.